Hi there, today I want to share with you how to make white chocolate popcorn. This is super easy and perfect for any holiday celebration. For this, you're going to need microwavable popcorn, white chocolate, sprinkles, and some pretzels. Go ahead and pop the popcorn according to the directions on the package, then add some melted white chocolate. You're going to want to work quickly here. Add the white chocolate and mix it in. Make sure your hands are clean. Mix it in thoroughly with the popcorn. And while it is still damp and hasn't hardened, damp, is that the right word? Not sure. But anyway, you're going to want to go ahead and before the chocolate is hardened, add the sprinkles. Go ahead and add those and then mix again. Just mix it all in so that the sprinkles adhere to the white chocolate that's adhering to your popcorn. Go ahead and mix that all up. It's pretty easy. It is a little messy. And then you're going to go ahead, and if you want to focus on presentation for this, just get a cute little tub and then layer the white chocolate popcorn, some heart-shaped chocolate-covered pretzels, and keep adding layers until you fill your container completely. Think about changing out the colors for holiday celebrations and game day.